Hello everyone, good morning students. In the first session of Babar Ali, we discussed about how Babar Ali became headmaster. Babar Ali became headmaster at the age of 16, as we all know that, where we already discussed about his daily chores and also why he took initiative step to open his very own school. See, like this, we discussed so many topics in the previous session. See, among that one is Babar Ali, who was a youngest headmaster in the world. At the age of 16, he became headmaster, and where he wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning and finished off his daily chores and went to his own school, that is Kasim Bazar Raj Govinda Sundari Vidyapita, where he is a class 12th student. And after that, after the class, what he did, he introduced the world by teaching the poor children. He wanted to give education free of cost for poor people. And also we saw about the Babar Ali school, where it is a dilapidated concrete structure which is turned off turn posture, where Babar Ali teach 800 students under open sky. There is no proper building or structure for his teaching. And his father, who is a jute seller, Nasiruddin Sheikh, who support his son's venture by doing his own job, where Babar Ali lives with 3 siblings with attached house which is the size of an average city kitchen today. And see, but he is considered as a privileged one when he compared to others. Why? Because unlike other children, he went to school and get proper formal education. That is why he is considered as a privileged one. See, why he took initiative step to start his very own school. See, even though government provide free education for people, but they have to pay for uniform and books. But there lot of families poor, they are not able to bear that much of amount to the school. That is why instead of going to school, boys help out their family by working as a mechanics, day laborers, grass cutters and livestockers, whereas girls work as a maid servant, where they cook, clean and wash the dishes for their employees. See, this is all about we discussed in the last class. Now last class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟು ಎಷ್ಟು 16 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೇ ಅವನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಏನು ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು, ಮತ್ತು ಅವನ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ, ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಏನು, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಯಾಕಂಗೆ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ ಅನ್ನೋವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಇಂಟ್ರಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಆನಂದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಾ ನಿಕೇತನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್? ಆನಂದ ಶಿಕ್ಷಾ ನಿಕೇತನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. What is the name of the Babar Ali school? Ananda Shiksha Niketan is the Babar Ali's school name. It is in today's class, and overall help out Babar Ali to making a school. And also we meet some poor and innocent kinds and kind of souls also. See here, Babar Ali actually started his school in mere age of 9. At the age of 9, he started his school, but remember, he became the headmaster of the school at the age of 16. Don't confusion. At the age of 9, he began his school. In fact, in school, his school name was Ananda Shiksha Niketan. What is his school name? His school name was Ananda Shiksha Niketan. Grew out of a game. Why this grew out of a game? We used to play school, note down. We used to play school means some student, means the same age fellows where they sit under the open sky and play as a school. Some people, some were acting as a teachers, some were acting as a students, and one of them was a headmaster. Like this way, his school, Babar Ali's school, grew out of a game. My friends have never seen inside the school, so enjoyed playing students. They ended up learning arithmetic and enjoying it. See what they learned. They learned arithmetic and enjoying the situation. They don't know about the inside of Ananda Shiksha Niketan, where the Babar Ali's friends also came to Babar Ali school to help for teaching. They never know inside the school where it was very poor. The students were very poor who were attending the Babar Ali school were very poor children, so that the Babar Ali's friends were never known inside the school. Babar Ali, while trying to explain how he initially started his teaching, note down in 2002, the game of playing got institutionalized, means recognized as a school. In 2002, the game got institutionalized, means recognized as a school with the strength of 8 students. How many students were there? 8 students. Only 8 students in 2002. This school got recognized by the West Bengal state government. Don't forget. When? In 2002. So, gradually words spread and numbers grew. See, not only Babar Ali and also his friends, gradually the words spread. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಆಗೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಇವನಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ. Help began to came from quarters. Babar's own teachers who were all help out Babar Ali. Note down his teachers where he was a student who was going to Kasim Bazar Raj Govinda Sundari Vidyapita, where he was a class 12th student. His own teachers, ನೋಡಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, his own teachers and monks at local level, local Ramakrishna mission, monks of the Ramakrishna mission, and also IAS officers. When Babar Ali first thought up a midday meal scheme, for the first time he also thought to give midday meal scheme because the children were very poor. They are suffering from hunger also. He wanted to give a midday meal scheme. Rice came from his father's field. His Nasiruddin, who was a jute seller, the midday meal scheme, where did the rice came? It came from Babar Ali's father's field. But now with the aid of friends in the administration, it came from government stock. Later, from the friends' help, it was from government stock. See, don't forget, overall help out his own teacher, monks at the local Ramakrishna mission, and IAS officers. See, today, 9 years down the line, see, 9 years was over. In 2002, it was got institutionalized. Now, 9 years down the line, 60 regular attendees. How many students were? 60 regular attendees, and over 220 students on roll call. Total 800 students. Total 800 students in Babar Ali School with 10 volunteer teachers. How many teachers were there? 10 volunteer teachers. ವಾಲಂಟಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಸೇವೆಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಬಂದಿರೋವಂಥವ್ರು, ಯಾವುದೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೇನೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಬಲವಂತ ಇಲ್ಲದೇನೆ. ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಗ್ರೇಡ್ಸ್ 1 through 8, 1ರಿಂದ 8ನೇ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ವರೆಗೂ ಕೂಡ 10 ಟೀಚರ್ಸು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. His little afternoon venture now registered and recognized by West Bengal State Government, which means student graduating from Babar Ali's are eligible to transfer to other local school. Recognized, registered, which means the who are promoted by Babar Ali School, which was given admission in other high school also, means it was recognized by the ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬೆಂಗಾಲ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗೌರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್. ಏನಾಯಿತು? ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ನು ಮತ್ತು ರೆಕಗ್ನೈಸೇಷನ್ನು ಅನ್ನೋ ಅರ್ಥ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ಇವನು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿನಲ್ಲಿ 1 to 8 ಓದಿದಂಥವರಿಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹೈಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಡ್ಮಿಷನ್ನು ಸಿಗ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ. When children of the village and the localities nearby are done with their chores and jobs at the daytime, remember Babar Ali's school is afternoon school. That is why the students who are coming to his school went to job at the daytime, and afternoon they came to the Babar Ali's school. They arrive in time for Tulu Masjid's opening bell. Tulu Masjid's opening bell. See how it was grew out of a game. This is also a question which is asked for your 4 marks question. Babar Ali's school grew out of a game. Illustrate your answer with reference to the essay Babar Ali. See, now meet some poor Ananda. It is all about Ananda Shiksha Niketan. Now we are going to discuss about some pure good and kind souls. You are all including the teachers, monks, local cops who are all help out the Babar Ali. Meet some poor and kind and good souls. See, clad in her widow's white, stick in hand, Tulu Rani Hazara. Don't forget, Tulu Rani Hazara. She is a widower and also fishmonger by the morning and educationist by afternoon. See, Tulu Rani Hazara is an illiterate fishmonger by morning and proceeding educationist by afternoon. What is the job she done? On fish selling rounds of nearby villages, her job is to confronting erring parents. Very erring means problematic parents who are stopped their children to send their send their children to school. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಇರುವಂಥ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಮನಸೋಲೋ ಅಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ. ಅವಳು ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಹಳ್ಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಶ್ ಮಾರೋದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಕೆಲಸನೂ ಎಜುಕೇಷನಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ಲು, ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ಲು. ಹರ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಕನ್ಫ್ರಂಟ್ erring parents who have stopped sending their children to school and find new students. How many students she recruited, means joined the school? 80 students recruited to the school. This is the first and poor and kind and soul. Who is she? Tulu Rani Hazara. She is a illiterate fishmonger by the afternoon and morning. Afternoon she is a educationist. Teaching staff of 9 is made up of high school students. How many teaching staff were there in Babarali school? 9. They were high school students. Who were there? They were high school students. The teaching staff of 9 is made up of high school students. Volunteers, they are also volunteers. They are average teenagers who are helping out Babarali, making a difference. Babarali who want to make this as a difference, they also joined the Babarali. The most educated Dibarita. She is another fellow. Goes to college in Bharampur. Dibarita, like Babarali, who is going to Kasim Bazar Raj Govinda Sundari Vidyapita. Like this same way, Dibarita also going to attend the college at Bharampur. Most educated. She is considered among the 9 teaching staff. She is considered as the most educated. Babarali gives lesson just the way he had heard from his teacher. The Babarali delivered his lecture just the way he was delivered from his teachers. ಅವ್ರ ಟೀಚರ್ ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಿದ್ರೋ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿಯೇ ಬಾಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. There is no building, as I told you in the initial or previous class also, there is no building, there is no establishment for his school. He teaches his students under the open blue sky. Some children sit, where are the children sit? The children sit on mud, others on rickety benches under the rough homemade shelters. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸುತ್ತಲೂ ಏನೋ ಕೆಲವರು ಕಲ್ಲಿನ ಮೇಲೆ, ಕೆಲವರು ಮಣ್ಣಿನ ಮೇಲೆ, ಕೆಲವರು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಏನು ಗರಿಗಳಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಮನೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಒಂದು ಗರಿ ಬಿದ್ದಿರೋವಂಥದ್ದು ಅದನ್ನು ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಕೂತ್ಕೊತಿದ್ರು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಕೂಡ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. The family chickens scratched around nearby. There is also disturbance by family chickens. In every corner of the yard, group of children can be seen studying hard. Even though by the disturbance who are creating, maybe their parents who are making work, and also family chickens, whatever it may be, every corner of the yard we can see the students who are working hard to get succeed. See, it's much easier to enroll kids who are not old enough. So class first and second have 200 students and class 8 have just 20 students. Nodri, the class first and second have how many students? 200 students, class first and second, where class 8 have only 20 students. How many students? 20 students are there. Class 8 has only 20 students. How many subjects the Babarali's school, the students study 10 subjects. Don't forget about the statistics. 10 subjects. See, they study 10 subjects. First to second standard, the students were 200. Only 20 students were seen in 8th standard. How how many subjects they were taught? They were taught 10 subjects and are mostly taught by Dibarita and Bhattacharya. Babar and Dibarita, these 8th standard students were taught by Babar Ali and Dibarita Bhattacharya, where they were high school, they were a higher class, that is why they were studying 10 subjects. So they were taught by Babar and Dibarita. Dibarita is another volunteer who has been helping out for a long time. ತುಂಬ ಬಾಬರ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕೈ ಜೋಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ತುಂಬ ದಿನದಿಂದನೂ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರು? ಡಿಬಾರಿಟಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಫ್ರೀ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ 1st to 5th. See, Babar Ali wants to open his very own school, Ananda Shiksha Niketan, for this purpose only. Even though government provide free of charge for education, they still have to pay for uniforms and books. That is why the lot of families cannot afford their children to send to the school. That is why Babar Ali school was free of cost. So from class 1st to 5th, books were free. Class 1st to 5th, books were free, but for the rest money needs to be arranged. ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲನೂ ಕೂಡ ಮನಿನ ಅವರು ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಿತ್ತು 5th ಇಂದ ಮೇಲಿರುವಂಥವರು. On any given day, there are close to 400 students physically present in the Babar's front yard. Nearly 400 students were present every day in Babar Ali's school. Total 800. Somebody may be absent for some reason. It is hard to get the children to listen being so young themselves. It is very hard because they are considered as a very young fellows. The teaching staff which was made from high school students who are teaching only a narrow age gap group fellows. Alva. The narrow age gap workers of to our advantage, says Babar Ali. We are more like friends. The rod is spared in my school. ಕೋಲಿಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕಿಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಅವಕಾಶ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದ್ರ ಬದಲಾಗಿ ನ್ಯಾರೋ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಅಡ್ವಾಂಟೇಜ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಕೇಳೋವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸನೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಹೇಳಿದ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ರು, ಅವರು ಕೇಳೋವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸನೂ ಕೂಡ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು. ಸಿ, so that's all I got about Babar Ali. Now this is all about Babar Ali, what he did and how he grew out his school as a game to institution. This is all about Babar Ali. Samarpita Mukherjee Sharma was revealing to the reader now. Getting to know about a person like him makes me realize how insignificant I am, and yet I am again how we are lucky, including this Samarpita Mukherjee Sharma. We are all lucky fellows. Why? Because getting to know about the person like Babar Ali. His name was Tanveer. Don't forget, in the first session I discussed to you, his name was Tanveer itself, but for the purpose of this story, the Samarpita Mukherjee Sharma, which was translated into Babar Ali, transformed his name into Babar Ali. We are lucky, including the narrator, we are also lucky. Why? Because getting to know about the person like Babar Ali, how good his soul was. Not only money matters to help others, is it? Not only money matters to help others, our education, our kind heart will help the others also. And even though I finished my story here, Babar Ali's story continues. Still I have finished my story to put an end here, but his story continues. He has not only helped out hundreds of children to enlightened means get knowledge, he has also inspired millions of youths like us. Why his story still continues? Why? his story still continues. What is the reason behind that? Because he not only helped out the enlightened the hundreds of students, but also enlightened the hundreds of youths how they work out for the society ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಸೊಸೈಟಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ದ ಕಲಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಬರೀ 800 ಜನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ವಿದ್ಯೆದಾನ ಮಾಡೋದಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಯೂತ್ಸಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ದುಡ್ಡು ಇಲ್ಲದೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಏನನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಲಾದಂಥ ಸಹಾಯ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Babar Ali's tale is a testament proof. His story is a proof to difference that one person can make in his world, in his or her world. It is a proof. If there is a way, there will be, if there is a will, there is a way. ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಏನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೈಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇನಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲದೇ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಇದು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್, ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಓನ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್, ಇನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಓನ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ in this case it is a mere child who decide to change something about situation is not unfair. Nodri, even though at the age of 9 he started his school, as we know that at the little age that fellow, that child, what he looks, that was unfair. He wanted to change the world. Why can't we ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಇವತ್ತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಸಿದ್ದು, ತಾನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ತನ್ನ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥವ್ರು ಯಾರೂ ಕೂಡ ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಅರ್ಥದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪನ್ನಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವತ್ತು ಸಕ್ಸೀಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಲಾಗಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಸೊಸೈಟಿಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸಿ, his story also bears evidence to the fact that if you have a will, then there is surely a way. ಪ್ರಾವರ್ಬ್, ಮನಸ್ಸಿದ್ದರೆ ಮಾರ್ಗ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾವರ್ಬನ್ನು ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ತೋರಿಸಿದೆ. That is a 9-year-old can alone change the world should be enough inspiration for all of us to come out of our closed cocoons to help out the difference. If we want to make a difference in society, we should take at least some risk. See, this 9-year-old child wanted to change the world. Is it enough inspiration for all of us? ಇದು ಸಾಕಾಗಲ್ವಾ ನಮಗೆ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್ನು? ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಒಂದು 9 ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಡುಗ ಇಡೀ ಜಗತ್ತನ್ನು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸರಿ ಅನಿಸ್ಲಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೋರಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು? ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಯಾಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ನಾವು ಇವತ್ತೇನು ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಚೌಕಟ್ಟನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಕೂನ್ಸ್, ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ಹುಳು ರೀತಿ ಬದುಕ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕಷ್ಟೇ ಬದುಕು, ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು, ಸತ್ತೋಯ್ತು. ಆ ಬದುಕಿ ಅದು ಏನು ಚೌಕಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೋ ಕಾಕೂನ್ ರೀತಿ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬಂದು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರೋವಂಥ ನಮಗೆ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇರೋವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಜನರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ದುಡ್ಡೇನೇ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಲಾಗಿದ್ದು ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅರ್ಥದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿರೋವಂಥದ್ದು. ಸಿ, ಸೊ isn't it high time that the change that we want to see in this world today, Babar Ali, maybe tomorrow it would be someone for among us. That is why it is an inspiration for all of us. ಇವತ್ತು ಬಾಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾಳೆ ಅಂಥವ್ರು ಇನ್ಯಾರೋ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರು ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೇ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲೇ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಪನ್ನು ತೊಗೋಬೇಕು. ಬರೀ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹಂಗಿದೆ ಹಿಂಗಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ. ಏನು ಸರಿ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಹೊಡೆದಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಆಫನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ come across something like Babar Ali coming from a small village in ಮುರ್ಷಿದಾಬಾದ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಅವನೇ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಿಟಿಯಿಂದನೂ ಕೂಡ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಥವಾ ಸೊಫಿಸ್ಟಿಕೇಟೆಡ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿನೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ದುಡ್ಡಿದೆ, ಏನೋ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ರಪ್ಪ ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೂಲಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸ್ರಿ ಅಂತಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅವನು. ಹೀ ಈಸ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ Murshidabad, small village Murshidabad in West Bengal. He should be commanded just for audacity, means of hoping, courage of hoping. He wants to change this. That is the courage he accepted with dignity and move forward and get succeeded. It is this hope and the faith that he has upon himself and has helped him come all this way. So here is Babar Ali. We salute him for you dreaming and making your dream come true. That is why narrator is saluting that person, means Babar Ali, because he achieved something. What he felt unfair in the society, he changed with ಓನ್ಲಿ ಹೋಪ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫೇತ್. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದೂ ಕೂಡ ಅಲ್ಲ, ದುಡ್ಡಿಂದ ಅವ್ನು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೋಪ್ ಮತ್ತು ಫೇತ್ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ಎರಡು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ದ, ಚೇಂಜನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ದ. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಯುವರ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 1 mark and also 4 marks questions will be asked here. See, what all the concept we discussed here. Babar Ali, how he became the headmaster of the school, and also structure of the school. Why did he took initiative step to open his very own school, and also Ananda Shiksha Niketan, his school, how it was grew out of a game. Overall help out Babar Ali to make his school, and also we are met poor and good and kind souls like Tulurani Azara, Dibarita, and also his high school students, volunteers. See, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮನಸ್ಸು ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾರ್ಗದ ಮಾದೇವ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದು ಬಾಬರ್ ಅಲಿ. See, after watching this video, read the lesson and write down all comprehension questions which is in 51 and 52. I hope you all understood the lesson. Thank you.